Welcome to the College Investor Audio Show, where we talk about the biggest issues impacting millennial money, from student loan debt to side hustles to building wealth. We will show you how to get out of debt so that you can build real wealth for the future.
We are continuing with our reviews of tax software for 2023, specifically today's show, all about free tax software. Love that. So here's where you can file your taxes for free. So as we review the best online tax preparation software every single year, we keep an eye out for the budget-friendly filing options too, because most companies offer extremely limited free tiers. Many filers need to eventually upgrade to a paid tier because of things like HSA contributions, childcare expenses, student loan interest, and other deductions. So as you add more 1099s and other needs, you're forced to pay for those forms and features. If you have a more complex tax filing situation, don't start with the free and then upgrade. Just start with the paid versions. Active cryptocurrency and stock traders, landlords, side hustlers, and full-time business owners really do benefit from paying for high-end software. These offer the most features to import tax data and file quickly. In 2023, though, Cash App Taxes is the only company offering free federal and state filing to all supported filers, though it does have some significant limitations. H&R Block has the most robust free tier offering among paid software, but it does impose strict limitations before requiring an upgrade. If you use the Free File Alliance, a program from the IRS, you cannot upgrade to a paid tier later on. Be careful where you start filing your taxes so you don't get stuck. Start with the free link directly from the tax prep website, not the IRS Free File website. This is very important. So before you select a free, quote-unquote, software package, check out the list we have for you today of the best free tax software to see which might work for you. First up, let's take a look at what companies can get you, even if they offer free stuff. Most companies on the list we're going to talk about today offer free federal filing for a subset of taxpayers. The trouble is that each company has different criteria for free filing, and most let you start filling out your tax forms for free, and then just tell you later that you're going to have to pay in the end. Almost every major filing service requires you to upgrade to the deluxe tier when you claim the most common credits outside a small list for students and maybe some low-income households. This can be a little bit frustrating, to say the least, when you don't realize you have to pay to upgrade until you're an hour into the process or just about to click the submit button to finish everything up. Most Americans must file federal and state returns. Some companies offer free federal filing but require users to pay fees for state filing. State filing costs are often hidden on pricing pages, so be careful when choosing tax software companies that advertise free federal filing. So which companies offer free federal and free e-file state tax returns? In 2023, the only company offering free state and federal filing for everybody is Cash App Taxes. Cash App Taxes, previously known as Credit Karma Tax, offers a robust and user-friendly experience, audit support guarantees, and support for most common tax situations. Really cool. H&R Block also offers a robust free pricing tier. We love it. And you could qualify for this tier if you earned only W-2 income and received only unemployment or Social Security income. The free tier also supports student loan interest deductions, educational credits, child tax credits. You will have to upgrade for any other tax needs, most likely to the deluxe tier. Now, we're huge fans of H&R Block's expanded free pricing and the completely free offering from Cash App Taxes. However, a free product may not be the best fit for you in 2023. If you have a complex filing situation or you're looking for a bargain, you might choose Free Tax USA. Active traders or others, or with more complex situations even, may prefer premium software like H&R Block, higher tiers, or even TurboTax. Okay, now we get to the list of the best free tax software companies. Cash App Taxes. All right, so this is formerly Credit Karma Tax, but Cash App Taxes continues to deliver the free state and federal filing for everyone. The product offers most users an excellent experience, although active traders, you're going to need to look elsewhere. If you worked or lived in multiple states, you can't use Cash App Tax either to file state returns. Also keep in mind that anyone with K-1 income cannot use the software for state or federal filing. A handful of less common situations are also unsupported. Cash App Taxes is a great product, and the only gotcha is that you have to download and set up the free Cash App on your phone. If you're unfamiliar, the Cash App from Square works like Venmo, PayPal, and other peer-to-peer payment apps. Cash App Taxes is our top free choice for 2023. H&R Block is next on our list today. They offer qualifying taxpayers a free federal and state return this year, and the free tier also includes support for, like we mentioned earlier, W-2 income, credits and deductions, qualifying tuition payments, even student loan interest, or the Earned Income Tax Credit, EITC, Child Tax Credit, CTC, and retirement income. You will have to pay for self-employment, investments, real estate taxes and mortgage interest, investments, and other tax situations. So not everyone's going to qualify for H&R Block's free tier, but we continue to include it as a top choice because it's so easy to use and works for most people. Filers can simply snap a photo of their W-2, add some basic information, and be done. Bang! Okay, next on our list is TurboTax, because in 2023, TurboTax does offer a free tier to those with limited needs and simple returns. It supports W-2 income, some limited 1099 interest and dividend income, 1099K income, student loan interest, child tax credit, and earned income tax credit. Anything else, you're going to have to pay up. You'll have to upgrade if you itemize your deductions, earn unemployment, own a business, sold stocks or some other investments, owned rental property, or qualify for additional credits or deductions. Okay, now, TaxAct has an expansive free filing option as well, but it only applies to federal returns. All filers are going to have to pay for state returns. Given the high price point of state returns, TaxAct could be a better choice for people seeking free filing. In 2023, TaxAct provides federal free filing to people with W-2 income, education expenses, but not student loan interest, people who want to claim the child tax deduction. You must upgrade if you have student loan interest, charitable contributions, child care expenses, or you make contributions to a traditional IRA. Next on our list for today, Free Tax USA. Yeah, it's in the name. They advertise themselves as the best place to file your federal taxes for free. Free extends to all forms and all individual tax situations on the federal side. Unfortunately, free doesn't include state filing. While it's not free, we still think Free Tax USA offers an excellent option for people who have complex tax filing situations and want to save on tax preparation costs. It's especially useful for K-1 income and multi-state filers who don't qualify for Cash App taxes. We have a full review, by the way, of everything you hear today at thecollegeinvestor.com. All of these services, we go in depth on every single one of them. All right, next up on our list, TaxHawk. They advertise file federal taxes free, which is technically true, but people who file state returns are going to have to pay per state. With steadily improving software and a lot of fans returning annually, TaxHawk is a solid bargain tax filing choice. But those who need to file state returns can't file for free with TaxHawk. Next on our list for today, TaxSlayer, and just a few more after that and we'll wrap up. TaxSlayer is open and honest about only supporting simple returns on its free tier. I love open and honest companies. While it doesn't support child tax credits or HSA contributions on its free tier, it does support student loan interest deductions and some other simple needs. Due to its limitations, we don't really recommend the free version. However, TaxSlayer Classic is a premium software bargain, even for more complex filers, which earns it a spot on our best tax software list for those who can't file for free. Again, we do have a full review of TaxSlayer and everything else you hear today at thecollegeinvestor.com. Next up on our list today, EasyTaxReturn.com. Okay, You may not have even heard of this one, but Easy Tax Return only supports free federal filing for a limited subset of people. You have to earn less than $50,000, not have any dependents, and only earn W-2 income. All credits and deductions require upgrading to a paid version. The company always charges for state filing. The free software is incredibly limited, and it's also difficult to use. Since you need to pay for state filing, so just go ahead and skip Easy Tax Return in 2023 altogether. Just forget I even said anything, really. Okay, now let's talk about the IRS free fillable forms. The IRS does offer free fillable forms from mid-January through mid-October, when filing closes. If you're used to filing your taxes with pen and paper, you might go ahead and upgrade to these easy-to-use forms, but they're just a small upgrade from a typewriter. Generally, we prefer the ease of the tax filing software that we've mentioned today. Well, besides like Easy Tax Return. We don't like that at all. But IRS fillable forms could make sense if you have little income and deductible expenses. All right, some quick FAQs, then we'll go ahead and wrap up for today. Is there such a thing as free tax software? Well, yeah, as we talked about today, several companies do offer a free version of their software. Unfortunately, most companies restrict who can file for free. But only Cash App Taxes in 2023 is actually really for real free for all users. However, H&R Block Free has a comprehensive version of free filing for state and federal filers. Does free filing have restrictions? Absolutely yes. These companies need to make money, so they require most users to upgrade. If you do choose to pay, make that determination from the get-go. It'll save you time because you won't find yourself getting stuck with having to upgrade after you spent an hour or two entering all of your information. Are federal and state returns free? Well, the Free File Alliance focuses on free federal filing. However, several companies do offer free federal and state filing for, of course, a limited subset of households. TurboTax, H&R Block, TaxSlayer, TaxAct, and, of course, Cash App Taxes offer free federal and state filing. Cash App Taxes, the only one offering free state to all qualified users. One final reminder about free tax filing. The world of free tax filing isn't quite free, is it? But the guide today hopefully will help you choose the right software for your situation. Also, don't go for free if it means missing out on some big tax deductions. Remember, there may be better moves than free filing. Those who prefer to use expensive tax filing software do so because it offers more robust tools to help them feel more confident about their filing situation. And that is our show for today. If you want to dig and dive in a little bit deeper on all of the products we talked about today, you can find everything at thecollegeinvestor.com. Just type in free tax software. You're going to find it. You can also find us all over social media if you have any questions or you just want to get to know us because, I don't know, we like friends. So search for The College Investor and you'll find us everywhere. Thanks again for stopping by today, and we'll talk to you again real soon.